Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 6. The 13th Amendment abolishes slavery, 1865. On December 6, 1865, the United States officially ended slavery when the 13th Amendment was ratified. This historic moment came after the years of struggle and the Civil War. The amendment declared that no person could be enslaved unless as punishment for a crime. It marked a major step toward equality and civil rights. Millions of enslaved African Americans were legally freed. This day remains one of the most important in American history. The Halifax Explosion, 1917. On December 6, 1917, one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history shook Halifax, Canada. A French ship carrying explosives collided with another vessel in the harbor. The blast destroyed large parts of the city and caused thousands of casualties. Windows shattered miles away, and the massive fire followed. The tragedy left the city devastated, but also inspired heroic rescue efforts. It remains a significant event in Canadian history. Mongol forces capture Kiev, 1240. On December 6, 1240, Mongol warriors under Bata Khan stormed the city of Kiev. The attack was fierce, and the once thriving city was almost completely destroyed. Thousands of citizens were killed, and only a small number survived the devastation. The fall of Kiev marked the rise of Mongol control over the region. This event changed the political map of Eastern Europe for generations. It stands as one of the most dramatic events of the medieval era. The Anglo-Irish Treaty signed in 1921. On December 6, 1921, the Anglo-Irish Treaty was signed, formally ending the Irish War of Independence. The agreement created the Irish Free State, granting Ireland partial independence, while keeping ties to the British Crown. Although it brought peace, the treaty also divided Irish leaders and citizens. Some welcomed it as a major victory, while others felt it didn't go far enough. The disagreement eventually led to civil conflict. The treaty remains a defining chapter in Ireland's modern history. Washington Monument completed, 1884. On December 6, 1884, the final piece, the aluminum capstone, was placed on top of the Washington Monument. This moment marked the completion of what was then the tallest stone structure in the world. Construction had paused 4 years due to funding shortages and the Civil War. Dedicated to George Washington, the monument symbolized national pride and unity. Its completion brought excitement and celebration across the country. Today, it remains one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.